Hello to anybody who's watching this video. These are some of the only surviving parts that are from my earlier prototypes. These are the axial shafts from my first prototypes, aluminum shafts, axle, linear type magnets, Alnico 5. So my gears, my Lexan top and bottom cover plates. These are some of my earlier bearings, hollowed out ballpoint pin bodies, and later on I was able to find some nylon ball bearings, so that stainless steel balls in them, so they're anti-magnetic. One of my earlier versions, which didn't prove out too well. As each version progressed further and further, I made changes. I found down where I had separate pieces going in, but that was a failure. It just didn't work as good as I was hoping. There's my polarity checker. These are the magnets with top view. This magnet here is an Alnico 5 magnet, come out of a magnetic base, and it was cut in half to get my depth I needed. These are my very early gears from our large prototype I had that I pinched my fingers on. These are almost 2-inch diameter gears. My final versions are all 1-inch diametral pitch gears, basically. And you see the scale in relationship to the size of these bodies. You notice these all have threaded holes on them. They're all matched, so all the bearings line up and the shafts match. These are all hand done on mill, no CNC involved, so the accuracy is not that accurate, but they enough to prove the prototyping. All these pieces here on my first few were epoxy bonded into a base to hold all the pieces. These two proved to be fruitless to a certain point because the load is on them, which comes to my final prototype, which I was designing and was putting together before the big fire. I wish I could give more information on this stuff here, but this is all I have left of my earlier prototypes. These are fortunately in my machine shop toolbox, where I was trying to produce these at, not in my house. So I hope somebody can make use of any of the information and continue the projects. Thank you.